Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so now starting with this EA, I am looking at the golden finger EA on the MQL5 marketplace developed by Ricardo McCartney, currently priced as a rental at $106 per month. From what is shown here, this is an MT5 only expert advisor, and it is mainly designed around gold trading, specifically XAUUSD. All right. It also mentions multi-pair compatibility, but the main focus clearly stays on gold. Now, scrolling through the page, I can see this EA is positioned around the Asian session strategy, right? You can see here optimized for Asian session trading. Trades trade during the quieter, more predictable market hours to reduce risk and enhance win rates. The Asian session is known for its low volatility and stable trends and ranges, making it an ideal time for strategic trading. Golden Finger MT5 is engineered to take advantage of these conditions, identifying high probability setups and executing trades with minimal drawdown and maximum efficiency. So, the idea is to take advantage of quieter market conditions where price tends to be more stable compared to high volatility sessions. Now, one of the key points mentioned is that it uses a time filter, so trading is restricted to specific hours. That is important because it means the EA is not constantly active, but instead focuses on selected market conditions. I also notice it includes built-in risk management, tools like stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop functionality. So the behavior of the EA will heavily depend on how these parameters are set, especially in terms of risk exposure and profit locking. All right, there are also daily trade limits mentioned, which helps control over trading and keeps execution more structured during the session. Okay, so now moving into the back testing section, the recommended setup is XAUUSD on the M1 time frame. It's also suggested to start with smaller deposits like $100 for 0.01 lots, with $500 recommended for lower drawdown expectations. So let's just briefly look at this image provided here. Okay, this seems to be showing the EA in action. All right, the developer didn't exactly provide back tested results here, but we are just going to head over to our strategy tester to get that. Okay, but before then, we can see how the EA looks like on the chart. But let's head over to the strategy tester right away. We are testing the golden finger EA on XAUUSD on the M1 time frame as recommended, and we are just testing it over the past about 10 days just for the sake of time. All right, so that we can be able to at least see how the EA behaved with the most recent data. But I recommend that if you are interested in this EA, you should actually test it over a longer period of time, probably a year or even 2 years or more, so that you can be able to capture a wider range of market conditions. It is more trustworthy. The results are more trustworthy when it is back tested over a longer period of time. Okay, so we are using last ping to the server for the delays, and then we are using the every tick modeling. Going to the results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, Net profit was negative 30, but that was just from 6 trades because we backtested just over less than 2 weeks. So, just 6 trades executed, negative $30. And the number of profitable trades were 0. So all 12 trades were losing trades. Wow, that is not encouraging. Not encouraging at all. Okay. But let's just also look at the EA in action. So I'm going to turn on the visuals right away. And we're just going to watch a bit of the EA in action. All right. So when I look at the historical testing, I want to focus more on how price behaved during Asian session conditions and how the EA reacted to ranging versus directional moves over time. Okay, so here on this dashboard, we are seeing the current time, the spread, the total open orders, the balance, the equity, and the monthly gains. What stands out is that this type of system is about more, it's more about controlled execution and timing rather than aggressive trading behavior. All right. But from a strategy perspective, it looks like entries might be influenced by session timing and structured conditions rather than random market exposure. But in terms of results, it's always important to treat this as historical backtest performance, and it is important to remember that real performance can vary based on broker conditions, spread, slippage, and user settings. All right. Overall, this EA is built for traders who want more structured, time-based gold trading approach, and I'll still recommend forward testing it before considering any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.